Officers catch this vehicle going 109 miles an hour in a 50-mile-an-hour zone. When they catch up to it, it turns into oncoming traffic and nearly crashes head-on into another vehicle. As it finally pulls over, officers approach, having no idea that the driver's drama queen girlfriend is about to cause even more problems.
Come on out. That was beyond stupid, man.
Sorry.
You do realize you almost collided with another car.
Sorry.
Where's your license at?
Yeah, it's on the back.
And you're in there?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
Yeah,
in there? You mind if I look in it before you start?
You can.
Where's it at? Is it in here or is it?
I think so. In my door.
Is that your ID, ma'am?
Do you need my ID?
Yep.
I wasn't driving.
You were participating. ID, please.
Do you need my ID because I wasn't driving?
ID, please.
Ma'am.
I don't understand if I wasn't driving.
Stop. Listen to me. Stop.
I'm not trying to...
Stop. Calm down. I'm going to explain it to you, okay?
I get it.
Oh, no, you don't get it. I'm trying to explain it to you.
I do get it.
Okay?
Like I want you to explain.
We are stopping. I'm going to. If you stop talking, I would love to.
Go ahead, explain.
Okay? You are in a vehicle that is being stopped. Okay? So, we are requesting your driver's license because we are allowed to.
Totally get it.
Okay? So, give my
I will
partner.
be giving my ID. I just do not want to be getting in trouble for anything that I was not participating in.
So then let me have your driver's license,
It's my
please.
fault.
Will I not be
Relax.
participating in it?
I'm going to ask you one more time, and then I'm going to take you out of the car, and I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
But you're going to put me in handcuffs because I wasn't participating.
Because you're not cooperating.
But I wasn't in shit if I wasn't driving.
I'm going to give you one last chance.
Here, my guy.
Thank you.
But I wasn't participating in shit.
Watch your knees.
I'm sorry.
Have a step back here.
I'm so sorry.
Falls under the racing statute and she's participating.
So, I'm Deputy Winselowitz. I'm with Lee County Sheriff's Office Traffic Unit. The reason why I'm stopping you was 109 in a posted 50-mile-an-hour zone. Okay?
Yeah,
Then you go the wrong way and almost collide with another vehicle. Okay? Why?
I'm sorry. Honestly, I'm sorry. I just...
Have you had any alcoholic beverages tonight?
A little bit.
A little bit?
That's it.
Okay.
I'm not trying to be rude. I wasn't participating in anything. I got it.
You want me to explain it? If he chooses to do the racing statute, there is a charge for somebody participating, and that is watching or being in the car with them. I don't think he's doing that, but he could. So you just need to stop and let us do our job.
You don't know your address? Do you have any documentation to show your new address?
Yes.
Is it on your phone by chance?
Don't have my phone right now.
Your phone was in the bag.
That's my another phone.
Is your phone in the car?
Yes.
Is it in the door here?
Yes.
Just stay right there. Stay right there.
Yes.
You mind if I get it?
Yeah. So you want my address?
Yes, your new address. Yes, sir.
I'm so sorry. I just was enjoying my day today with my girlfriend.
The sad part is it would have been a stop, and you may have gotten a court date because of your speed. Then you added other stuff to it.
If something happened, just it's only my fault, not her fault. It's my fault. Okay.
I just need your new address.
That's my address.
How long have we been at this new address?
3 months, 6 months. I don't remember right now, but it's around that. 6 months. 3 months.
Just lean against your car. I'll be right back with you.
17 Charlie.
Stay over here. I don't mind you getting out of the car, but I don't want you back there.
I just don't want to be in problem with my car. With my own car, you know what I mean? It's my car. I just don't want to be in problem with it.
Are you willing to submit to a field sobriety exercise to dispel my fears that you're driving well under the influence?
Sorry.
Do you speak English or?
A little bit. I don't understand too much.
Would it be better if I have somebody come and translate for me?
She can.
No, I'm going to have a deputy.
Yeah.
Would it be better if somebody that speaks Spanish so you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right. Do we have an available translator for Spanish, please?
I know you're doing your job, but please, just help me out with this.
I'll help you out with what? I don't know what I'm helping you out with yet because we haven't done it.
You're helping me with.
Exactly. Let's wait and let him do his investigation, and then we can figure it out from there.
Bad situation right now.
Are you in a bad situation right now? Well, no, I'm just getting some things from you that makes me concerned about your ability to operate a motor vehicle.
So close, so close. How about we move over, like in front of your car? That one got really close to me.
That's her car.
Well, it's actually not her car.
Yeah, it's her.
No, it's registered to somebody else.
Her dad. Her
Yeah, but it's your dad's car. Go stand over there with my partner, please.
He's not asking you the questions. Remember, I told you we need to let him do his investigation and ask his questions.
I get it.
Her dad died.
But the car's still registered to him.
Yeah, I know, but I was just driving her car. It's all my fault. I know you are doing your job.
I am.
I don't speak too much English, but I'm just trying to enjoy all today my day with her.
I got you.
Everything's my fault. That's why I'm trying to explain.
What are we doing?
Waiting for a Spanish translator.
Oh, okay. Right, we going again.
Look at my vape.
Sure. If you want to, you can sit back down in the car. You don't have to stand
Get
out.
out. I just don't want you guys to be worried about anything.
No, that's fine.
Why you guys? That shit under my car.
Did you get it? Can you reach from this side?
I just don't want you guys to thinking like I'm reaching for anything.
No, you're fine.
Stupid as f. Because as he was doing it, I was like, what the f are you doing in my car? I just don't want him to get in trouble. A ticket, whatever the f he needs, I really don't want him to get arrested. I work Monday through Friday. I don't have time for any of this. I'm begging you.
You're begging the wrong person, and you're not going to talk to them right now, so it's not going to happen. They're going to do their investigation. The deputy's going to do what he has to do.
I'm fine to drive. Like on everything, I'm fine to drive. I just chose not to drive. Not even for the impairment or anything. I just didn't want anything to do with it. I don't know if you have any say in it, but I really just want kind of like a warning for him. Me drive my car back home. Not gonna happen.
I can guarantee you're not driving this car away from here. I don't know what's going on with their investigation, but I can guarantee you 100% that you will not drive it.
I know you're doing your job. I shouldn't be telling you what the hell I'm telling you right now. My car is under my father right now that is dead, so I really don't want any issues with my car. That's the last thing my father got me before he passed. That's the only thing I'm begging you guys for.
We don't know what's going on, and we're not going to know until he's done with his investigation. So let's not get all upset and worried about something that we don't even know that's going to happen.
I know you guys work. You guys go to the extreme all the time.
We don't go to the extreme all the time. We follow the statute.
I get
State
it.
statute,
I get it. You guys
the letter of the law.
You guys follow your laws? I totally get it.
No, they're your laws too. They're the state of Florida laws. You live in Florida, I live in Florida. It's the laws of the state of Florida.
So I'm so f***ing done with this shit, man.
Don't hurt your car. You're just telling me about how much it means, and now you're hitting it. Don't hit your car.
I don't want to wait for 10 minutes, 20 minutes for you guys to tell me what you're going to do.
Listen.
I need you to tell me what to do with my car.
Stop.
I need you to tell me.
If you don't calm down and relax.
Calm.
No, you're not.
Calm.
I promise you, you're not. No, you're not.
I've been calm as f***. It's just I don't know what you guys are going to f***ing do with my car, and I'm stressed the f*** out. I need you to tell me.
Stop. If you don't calm down, we're going to have you have a seat in one of our patrol cars.
I don't need a f***ing seat.
Then you need to relax.
I just need you guys to tell me what the f*** happened with my f***ing car. That's all I need.
I'm going to give it to you one more
I'm
time.
not trying to be a d***. I need
Take a breather, relax, okay? Because you acting like this is not going to get this situation to go any faster.
What are you gonna do?
I need you to relax.
I'm stressing out right
I will
now.
tell you everything that's going on once I get to that point. But right now, we're not going to tell you what's going on until I figure out what's going on. I can't focus on you and focus on him.
I get it.
I don't think you do.
I just want to know what's
Because I want to go home at night.
So do I. You
Okay.
You think I'm going to be here right now when I work
I'm sure you
tomorrow
don't.
at 5:30 in the morning? I don't want to do it.
I need you to breathe. Otherwise, we're going to have you have a seat in the car. Fair enough? All right. Stay cool, calm, and collected for me.
Is your vape a nicotine vape? Because that I could have helped you out with.
I don't know what the f*** it's under the car, isn't it?
Yeah, it's under the car.
Can you get it for me?
What?
She dropped her vape underneath her car and it might calm her down. She wants him to lay on the ground and get it out from underneath the car. Would that calm you down if you had it?
Probably.
Can you go under the car and get it?
You can grab it, Alex. Yeah. I couldn't.
Thank you. Hoping this will calm her down a little bit. All right, back over here.
Come back over here, partner.
Yes.
Hang out there, calm down. You got your vape. We're just gonna sit here and chill for a minute.
I don't want to get in trouble with my car.
You understand a little bit English, but not too
I prefer if to have somebody translate. Hey, I'm gonna need you to help me translate for a DUI.
That's gonna be the hardest DUI in the world.
What do you mean?
You do the phone?
All you're doing is just explaining it.
Yeah, I mean, hey, I'll do whatever you need me to do. All right, let's start.
All right. So,
Hello.
I was asking.
Yes, sir.
No. Face me so you can hear him. Turn me. Turn. All right. So I was asking if he was willing to submit to a field sobriety exercise to dispel my fears he was driving under the influence.
Senor?
Sí, señor.
Okay, he says yes, he will do it.
Okay. So what I need him to do is put his feet together, arms to his side.
Okay, ponga los pies juntos y las manos a los lados, por favor.
Perfecto. With whichever finger he chooses, touch the top of my pen for me.
Con cualquier dedo que quieras, toca la punta del lápiz.
Perfecto. You can put your hand back down. You see that green light right there?
¿Ves la luz verde?
Yes, sir.
All right. You're going to follow the movement of my pen as I move from side to side with your eyes and your eyes only. You don't move your head. Keep your head still, okay?
Okay.
¿Entiendes?
Yes.
He understands.
Okay. Face that way. Go ahead and begin.
Let's comenzar.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Feet together, arms to your side. With whichever foot you choose, you're going to take it and raise it 6 inches off the ground, about the height of a soda can, okay? You're going to count just like this. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop.
¿Entiendes? ¿Tiene alguna pregunta?
No.
Okay, he has no question and he understands.
All right. Go ahead and begin.
1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009.
Stop. Relax. Put your... There you go.
He's gonna take him. He's gonna fucking take him to jail.
I don't know. I haven't been paying
Was
attention.
he going over 100?
Yeah, he was. But
You're now being placed under arrest for driving while under the influence. Do you understand all of that?
Estás arrestado en este momento por manejar bajo una influencia.
See or no?
Yeah.
Hey, let me knock him out once. He doesn't need to go 30 days in jail. He doesn't have to go 30 days in jail, please. Please.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, it's my free time. I don't know what
No problemo.
I'm taking him to jail.
yes, he's under arrest.
327 headquarters. 327.
Don't hit the car. You're going to dent this car that you love so much.
Have a seat for me.
Good.
Do you have a cell phone to call for a ride?
Your mom will come here and drive my car.
No.
You guys can't take my car. You guys can't take my car. You guys
Hey,
can't
listen,
take my
listen,
car. You
listen
guys
to me.
can't take my car. You guys can't take my car. You guys are not gonna take my car. Please don't
relax.
take my car.
You need to relax.
Please don't take my car. You can't take my car. You can't take my fucking car. Please don't pick up my car.
Where is your phone? Where is your phone?
I don't know. Somewhere in the car. Don't take
You
my
need-
car.
You need to call your mother to come get you.
My dad's not here to pick up my car. My dad's dead. It's under his f***ing name. Please don't take my fucking car. Please don't take my f***ing car. My mom pick up my car.
This is just house keys.
You said keys. That was the only keys.
Sure you had.
It's in my car.
Yeah, because I didn't want her to get in the car and take off
Don't
with it.
f***ing take my car. That's all I'm asking for. Let me have my
Ladies-
mom take my car. You guys can't take my f***ing
Mom.
car.
Call your mom and have her come.
You guys can't take my car. You guys can't take my f***ing car.
Come out of the car, please.
Let her go.
You can call your mom out of the
Don't take
car.
my f***ing car. I'm begging you. Don't take my f***ing car. I'm begging
Come over
you.
here. I don't want you to get hit by a car.
Don't take
Come over here. I don't want you to get hit by a car. Do not touch. Come on.
Mami, venga, Naples, y le coge mi carro, por favor. Déjalo, por favor. Ven.
All right.
Mami, me da un ataque. Ven y recoge mi carro. En Naples. Ven y recoge esta
You're not in Naples.
Ven, mami.
She thinks we're in Naples.
We're not in Naples.
What am I going to do with her?
If she doesn't...
Do you want me to tell your mother where you're at?
Somebody needs to come and pick you up.
Mami, recoge mi carro en Naples, please.
You're not in Naples.
You're not in Naples.
You're in Myers.
Fort Myers Beach?
You're over by Fort Myers Beach, yes, but you're by Health Park, Bass Road.
Do you want me to tell her where you're at?
You speak English.
Okay.
Have fun.
Do you speak any English, ma'am?
¿Y dónde está la llave?
Habla inglés?
No, no hablo inglés.
I don't know how to...
Okay.
Do you want to get an Uber and go home?
No! I want my car to get home.
Tell her you're at Bass Road and Summerlin Road.
Mami, te voy a mandar la invitación ahora
Somebody
mismo
needs to
para
come pick you up.
necesito que venga a recogerme el carro. Se lo van a llevar y voy a quedar.
Bueno,
You can pick it up at the tow yard tomorrow.
No, she can pick it up. Can she pick it up if she's coming here?
No.
Why can't she pick it up? I can't pick
Get
it
her
up.
here.
I'm not gonna be able to pick up my car.
Okay, your father
You
has
guys are
passed.
gonna-
It's in his
He's
name.
dead. You guys are gonna ask for him. I don't have the money to pick up the
Your
car.
mother
I don't have
can
the
take
money.
the death
She's
certificate
divorced
down
from
there.
him. I'm the next of kin. I'm
take-
the only one who has authority to the car. Let me take the car with me home. Let me take the car with me home. She's picking it up.
It's either you get somebody to come pick you up
Why
or
the
get an Uber,
Can't she pick up my car with
or you're gonna go to jail for
take
public...
me to jail.
Okay.
What the am I gonna do? What the Why are you gonna take me to jail? Why are you gonna take me to jail? Let me
You're getting a resisting charge.
Let me take some text my mom the call. Let me text her the fucking
Get her down.
Let me text her the fucking call. Why am I gonna go to jail? Let me text her.
Roll over. On your stomach.
The code of where I'm
Roll
at,
over onto your
please.
stomach now.
Please let me text her the code. Please don't be like that. Please don't be like that. Please don't be like that. Please don't be like that.
Cannot bite me.
Don't be like that! I'm going through my shit. Don't be like that. Let me text my mom the f***ing pink card.
Get the head back so she don't bite you.
No! Please, I'm not biting you guys.
You're not biting me. You drew freaking blood from where you bit me.
I didn't f***ing drive blood, you dumb b****.
You get the other arm?
I can't f***ing breathe. I can't f***ing breathe. Stop! I can't f***ing breathe, you dumb b****. I can't f***ing breathe.
Stop resisting.
I can't f***ing breathe.
Stop resisting and kicking me. Stop. You
guys-
understand me?
You guys
Stop.
told you guys not to take my f***ing car. You guys still did it.
Well, now you're going to jail for a felony.
F*** you. F*** the felony. F*** you. You didn't let me do what I needed to do. You dumb motherfucker. Why are you pulling me like? Why are you pulling me like that? Can you not f***ing let me?
Stop.
Ow!
I'm gonna go this way.
Ow!
Fix her
Ow!
bikini.
Ow!
Fix her bikini.
Fix my bikini because his dumb face is pushing me over. Stop being a dick, bro. I haven't done shit to you this entire time. I have to go to my fucking job. Face. Take my car.
That's blood from biting me.
I didn't mean
Teeth
to do
marks
it.
and all.
You're the fucking bitch.
The male suspect, Alejandro, was originally charged with DUI and unlawful speeds. However, as part of a plea agreement, the DUI charge was dropped while he pleaded no contest to the unlawful speeds charge. He was ordered to pay $276 and released back into the public. The female suspect, Keela, was charged with felony battery on a law enforcement officer and disorderly intoxication. She took a plea deal, pleading guilty to both charges in exchange for both charges resulting in adjudication withheld, meaning the judge accepted her plea but did not formally convict her. She was sentenced to 36 months of probation and was released back into the public.
I was never bitten during my career, but I know the process. The second that happens, you're not just dealing with an arrest anymore. Now you got medical evaluations, disease exposure concerns, you got testing, workers' comp paperwork, supervisory notifications, and enough paperwork to make your sergeant very miserable. Now in Philly, officers have to specifically tell the examining doctor if the injury came from a human bite because of the health risk involved. So while everyone's focused on the physical action of the body cam, the officer's already thinking about the doctor, the testing, and whether this is about to become a much bigger problem than it looked like on camera.